Hey!
Today,
We are going to show you what a cell looks like and the functions of the cell. Right, Mary?
Right.
Yeah. Okay. We're going to do all of the stirring first, and you guys just take a break. We'll be right back. This is the cell wall. It gives structural support and protection to the plant cell, but actually it's just a cake pan. This is the cell membrane. It surrounds cytoplasm, and its function is to allow certain substances into the cell and keeping others out. Cytoplasm is the fluid that fills a cell, and the cell's organelles are suspended in it. The cytoplasm uses dissolved enzymes to break down larger molecules. Vacuoles are enclosed compartments which are filled with water but can also store food and other types of nutrients. Vacuoles are used to support the plant cell and keep it hydrated. Chloroplasts are the food processors of the cell. The process happens in the chloroplast. Mitochondria work in the opposite direction and break down the sugars and nutrients that the cell receives. The purpose of the chloroplast is to make sugars and starches, and to do this they use a process called photosynthesis. Cells need to make proteins. Ribosomes are the protein builders or the protein synthesizers of the cell. They do this by connecting one amino acid at a time to build long chains, and you might find the ribosomes floating around in the cytoplasm. Mitochondria are the powerhouses of the cell. Mitochondria acts like a digestive system that takes in nutrients, breaks down the nutrients, and creates energy for the cell, and this is known as cellular respiration. The Golgi complex gathers simple molecules and combines them to make molecules that are more complex. It takes the large molecules, puts them in vesicles, and stores them for later use, or sends them out of the cell. The Golgi complex is also the organelle that builds lysosomes. Golgi complexes in the plant may also create complex sugars and send them off in secretory vesicles. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum acts as a storage for the cell. It is important in the construction and storage of steroids, a type of ringed organic molecule used for many purposes in a cell. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum also stores ions in solution that the cell may need them in the future. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is important in the synthesis and packaging of proteins. Some of those proteins might be used in the cell and some are delivered out. There are ribosomes attached to the membrane of the endoplasmic reticulum. As the ribosome creates the amino acid sequence, the chain is pushed into the endoplasmic reticulum. When the protein is absolute, the rough endoplasmic reticulum pinches off a vesicle. That vesicle, a small membrane piece, can move to the cell membrane or the Golgi apparatus. The cell nucleus acts like the brain of the cell. It helps control eating, movement, and reproduction. The nucleus orders all cell activity, and it does this by controlling the enzymes located in the cell. The nucleus is a cellular structure located inside the nucleus of eukaryotic cells. The nucleus constructs the subunits that merge to form ribosomes, the cell's protein-producing factories. Here is our amazing cake. Sorry you guys didn't get to have any of it. Come over here, Mary. I'm going to show you something really cool.